Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you a very creative way of upgrading your broken chains. So here basically, since this is very long, I'm thinking of making a bracelet out of it. So let me share with you the way that I'm going to do this. I've taken the beads and here is a stretchable string. This is basically used for making bracelets. However, if you don't have that, you can use this transparent string, which they commonly use as well to make bracelets. Now I have taken a bit of that transparent string and I'll be using that as a needle, the pointed side as a needle, and the one that is looped, I will attach the stretchable string to it. So in this way, this will act as my needle to insert the beads through and then pull it across into the string. So there, if you can see the string that I have pulled it through. So once I am done with this, now here I am taking double length of that string, the stretchable string, because I do not want it to break off easily. If you want, you can attach it with a single string as well. And this is the final look of the bracelet. I'm just adjusting the stretchable string so that it fits exactly, and once I am done adjusting, I will just tie a knot and secure these beads. So you'll have to see if it stretches well, in case if it's a stretchable string. If not, you'll have to see that you can pass it through easily from your hand into to reach your wrist. There, cut off the excess string, and here we go. This is the semi-final look. The final look is this. I will attach a charm kind of thingy. Yes, it will make the bracelet look all the more beautiful. So if you have any hangings like this which are for waist and you do not know what to do of them, you can always hang it to the bracelet. Oops. And here the bracelet is ready and it's hiding. Oh my. Okay, fine. Let me shift it to the other hand and show you. There, I caught you. So this is how it looks. Very cute dangling kind of thing from your bracelet. So friends, do let me know how did you all like this broken bead DIY bracelet, and I will see you next time with another tip on Tip Lab. Till then, if you have not as yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon.